Okay, we're going to use the hook ruler to measure 1.5 inch from the free end, and that at that location we're going to cut the groove. So we need to measure that location first. And we're going to use the turning tool to scribe a line. So this line basically helps us to align the grooving tool to the right location to make the cut. And for grooving, it's an operation while the slower speed is recommended, and we recommend using a spindle speed of 160 with a combination of GKP. Okay. And this operation is done manually. So we first align the tool, so make the tool tip align with scribed line, and supposedly we should also lock the the carriage in position here, so that it won't move back left and right. So the only motion it can do is along the cross direction. And how deep we want to cut, we need to cut into the workpiece to generate the inner diameter of the groove to be 0.75. This outside diameter is 0.9, so the difference is 150 thousandths. First, gently, slowly bring the tool to the workpiece. So when it's just touch the surface, let's set this one to 0. So we know how far we moved by looking at the dial. And while we are doing the cutting manually, we want to apply some cutting fluid or cutting oil. Trying to maintain constant speed. Moving about 90,000 now. Going to add another. When I get to 130, I'm going to back off the tool. 130. I'm going to back off the tool and measure the diameter of the groove. So when we measure the diameter of the groove, make sure that you use see the caliper, the tip of the caliper have a very thin blade, so it can get into a very narrow or small area, while this flat surface is not supposed to be used for the measure of the groove. So only use the tip of the jaw for the measurement of the groove, the diameter of the groove. I get 0.770 inch, so I have another, in order to get to 750, I have another 20 thousandths to go. So last time I stopped at 130. So this time I'm going to go until, go to 150, and then I will stop. Finally, we cut the chamfer at the end of the workpiece to ensure safety in handling the workpiece. So make sure there's no sharp edge on the workpiece. We want to release the carriage. Chamfer work better at a higher speed, so we'll change back the speed to 650. JLM. So this practice piece, you practice four different operations: facing, turning, center drilling, and grooving. And also there's one chamfering. 5 operations.